You probably know that there are several different types of resins out there. Some are great for art projects, others for coating surfaces. And then there are ones meant for deep pours. With so many options, it can definitely be overwhelming. But in this video, we're gonna make it all clear for you. We'll talk about the unique traits of each type of resin and help you figure out which one is the best fit for your project. So let's jump in and watch it together. It's a medium viscosity resin with a viscosity of 1500 CPS, perfect for casting molds with a resin thickness of around 1 inch. It works well for most shallow molds like coasters, ashtrays, trays, and jewelry. If your mold's deeper than 1 inch, no sweat, just pour this resin in. Layers till you fill it up, making things like tables, skulls, rolls, or square molds. The mixing ratio of the resin is 1:1, and it has excellent flow and strong resistance to yellowing, leaving you with a nice, clear finish once it's all cured up. And the best part, it's a breeze to color and mix, so you can get those hues just right. Casting resin working time is about 1 hour, and it'll fully cure in about 18 to 48 hours. It might take a bit longer if it's chilly in the room. Once it's set, it's around 780 hard and great for decorating and storing your creations. It's a medium viscosity kind, flows smoothly with a viscosity of around 3000 CPS and is good for layers up to about 1 inch thick. This resin offers an ULTRA fast setting time to optimize your production time to 5 to 36 hours, which is great if you're working in colder weather and don't want to wait forever for your project to finish up. This resin's perfect for all sorts of shallow molds like coasters, jewelry, earrings, and bookmarks. But even if your mold's deeper than 1 inch, no worries, you can just do multiple deep pours to fill it up. It works like a charm for stuff like skulls, spheres, and square molds. The resin mixing ratio is 1:1, providing a working time of about 40 minutes. And once it's all set, it's pretty tough. Around 780 hardness, this epoxy resin for the craft is featured by its self-leveling, low odor, and yellowing resistance. Commonly applied to surfaces such as wood, bar tops, countertops, river tables, tumblers, canvas, and more, gives them a tough, glossy finish that lasts. Once cured, it's like a shield against scratches and yellowing, perfect for sealing up surfaces or making them look really nice. This resin has a high viscosity, around 1000 CPS, and it has minimal flow. The mixing ratio is 1:1, and it's good for layers up to about 1 inch thick. Takes about 36 to 48 hours to fully cure, and it features automatic bubble removal during curing. Lots of people use it to protect stuff that's out in the open, like floors, bars, counters, and tables that get a lot of use. Coating resins offer greater strength, hardness, and durability compared to regular resins. With a hardness rating of A to D, they can withstand years of wear and tear without bending or cracking. Additionally, they can be used to create thinner products that require support, such as wine racks and cell phone stands. This resin's got a low viscosity, around 150 CPS, perfect for those deep pours, like 2 to 4 inches deep. The recommended amount of resin shouldn't exceed 5 kilograms. Temperature matters a lot with epoxy resin, so try to keep the room between 18 degrees centigrade to 20 degrees centigrade. It's just right for projects where you need some depth, like river tables or those big square and rectangle molds. Mix ratios to 2:1 in volume, giving you plenty of time to work with it. About 6 hours or so. It's nice and fluid. easy to pour into tight spots without bubbling up, and once it's set, it's tough as nails. Around a 3D hardness, so it'll hold up well and resist corrosion. The curing time for this resin is lengthy, a good 50 to 168 hours, depending on how thick it is and the room temp. But once it's all cured up, it's crystal clear, and you can jazz it up with some powder or pigments for some real colorful effects during crafting.